Greetings and welcome back to Room 303 in our Chats with Emily's. We are calling our readings through the poetry of Emily Dickinson. We are using the Johnson edition, and we turn now to a little four-line offering, number 402. I pay in Satin Cash. These are one of these, this is an example of one of the poems in, in the collection of Emily's poetry that we would love to have some more background information to actually know what's going on. There is here again Emily in her economics language, as we've already commented on. The Satin Cash here is in fact probably a flower that would have attended this poem in a letter. Emily did that several times, but it is unclear who specifically it is that she's sharing this with. Our assumptions are that you've been following our stuff at LearnStrong.net, down that left-hand side, Chats with Emily, our playlist. I'm hopeful that you've worked through our set of introductory comments as well as the preceding 401 poems. We just finished with 401, What Soft Cherubic Creatures. And if you have done that reading up to this point, then you know that Emily at times loves to play games with her language. And here she'll play with paying, right? It's obviously a response. In some ways, a response to something that was given or sent to her. This is how she says it. I pay in satin cash. You did not state your price. A petal for a paragraph is near as I can guess. Now, I love this informal tone that Emily sometimes plays with. This, as near as I can guess, is one of the reasons why we called our series Chats with Emily. Emily's a great wit. She's great at bantering. So she'll say, let me pay you back in satin cash. Again, probably some kind of little flower that she will include in a letter. The you is unclear. You did not state your price. And then she'll say it. I am giving you a petal for a paragraph. Now there is in the study of Emily's letters, at times, a longing for responses. In fact, there seems to be a suggestion that Emily could drive some of the people she was sending letters to kind of a little bit nuts because she was constantly sending out these letters and asking for responses. She will say a petal for a paragraph is near as I can guess. In other words, I think it's probably comparable. I'll hope that I can get a paragraph if I send you this petal, this little flower, if you will. At 2A for a message here, I think that she's arguing that paybacks can be fun. They don't have to be nasty. I don't think the tone of this is nasty. I think it's probably welcoming. At 2B, well, the economic language is here. I love this informal tone as well. At 3A, to relate this poem to another set of lines, I love William Carlos Williams. This is just to say. It's possible he's channeling some of Emily's wit when he says, this is just to say, I have eaten the plums that were in the icebox in which you were probably saving for breakfast. Forgive me, they were delicious, so sweet, and so cold. Finally, at 3B, what is a favorite gift that you have given? I'm hopeful that Emily's gift of these poems is one you're enjoying. Thank you.